This video reviews how to increase the size of a comment box in an Excel workbook by using the Python library OpenPyXL. A previous video that I made demonstrated how to add the comment to a cell, so I won't be going line by line explaining how to accomplish that. Instead, I'll be reusing the same workbook and code, albeit slightly modified for this specific demonstration. For this video, I'll be adding a comment to the name John in cell A2. Here, I bring in the workbook as WB, and I'm selecting the worksheet as WS. I will then save the work in the cell below. Down here, you can see the same code from the comment creation video that I made, but there is a slight difference. The comment string of text is being multiplied by 15. This will produce a string of text that far exceeds the bounds of the regular comment box. Executing this, you can see below the long string of text the comment will contain. So let's go open that workbook and see what we just accomplished. Here is our comment, and it is obvious that the text is far too long to be contained in this box. Let's delete this one that we just made and try again, but add some height and width specifications to the comment object. Two additional arguments you can pass the comment object are the height and width in pixels. Let's increase our box size by giving it a height of 200 and a width of 400. I'll re-execute this code and move over to the workbook to see how our comment box in cell A2 looks now. Adjusting the size of the workbook, you'll be able to see that the comment box is now massive. I actually need to make the workbook even bigger to show you how large the comment box is. But that is good. We wanted an obvious demonstration of how you can increase both the height and width, and now you can see the entire string of text is contained. So that's it. All you need to do is supply the desired height and width to the comment object when you are creating it. This may require some trial and error to make sure that you have selected the best size for your comment text, but now you know how to accomplish this when the need arises. Thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Please give a comment below if you found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video comes out.